Want a break from Facebook? Here's how to deactivate your account fast. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Next, tap the three lines menu. From here, go to Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Once you're in Settings, tap Account Center. Now tap Manage Accounts. Tap Manage next to the account you want to deactivate. Then tap Deactivation or Deletion. By default, Deactivate Account should already be selected, so just tap Continue. Facebook will ask for your password. Enter it, then tap Continue again. Now choose a reason for deactivating your account. Tap Continue, then tap Continue one more time. Finally, tap Deactivate My Account at the bottom. And that's it. Your Facebook account is now deactivated. Your profile will stay hidden until you log back in again. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more quick Facebook tutorials.